crepes recipe. For the ingredients, we need for the batter 250 grams all-purpose flour, 50 grams sugar, 500 milliliters of milk, 25 grams of butter, melted, 3 eggs, a pinch of salt, and a dash of vanilla, which is optional. For the fillings and toppings, we can use strawberries, strawberry jam, chocolate syrup, whipped cream. Okay, we'll need the ingredients like the eggs, the vanilla, the flour, the salt, the melted butter, the strawberries, sliced strawberries, the strawberry jam, the whipped cream, and the chocolate syrup. Of course, we also need a medium bowl and a whisk. In the mixing bowl, we need to whisk flour, sugar, and salt. Flour settles when it's stored, so whisking aerates it and avoids lumps in the crepe batter. You can also sift the flour before adding it to the bowl to prevent the lumps. In case lumps of flour happen with your crepe batter, even after taking all the precautions, you can fix it by straining the batter to catch any of those lumps and leave them behind. Once you're done whisking the flour, pour in the eggs, make sure you integrate all the ingredients perfectly. Then pour in the melted butter, milk, and the vanilla. We need to continue whisking everything until completely incorporated and smooth. The batter needs to be very thin. It should coat the back of a spoon and drip off a thin stream. You can add more milk or water as needed until you get the perfect consistency. In my case, I don't need to add any more liquids because it has already the perfect texture. Once the batter is done, you need to set it aside. You can also let the batter settle for 1 hour or overnight if you prefer. Then you need to heat a crepe pan or a non-stick pan if you don't have one like me, over a medium-high heat. Grease the pan with a small amount of butter or oil with a brush or paper towel. If you want, you can also use a non-stick cooking spray. Once the pan is hot, use a serving spoon or a small ladle to pour about 1/4 cup of butter into the hot pan and immediately swirl to evenly spread the batter and form a very thin disc. Make sure you spread the batter really quickly, otherwise you will obtain a heavy pancake instead of a thin crepe. Cook over medium heat 1 to 2 minutes on a side or until golden brown. Loosen the edge with a spatula and then flip the crepe over and cook about 1 minute more on the other side. You can use your hands to help you flip the crepe. Make sure you don't get burned in the process. Once the crepe is finished cooking, remove it and repeat this process with the remaining batter. This recipe yields for around 12 to 15 crepes. Repeat the process, and if you want, you can also modify the recipe adding some chocolate syrup or cocoa to the batter so you can prepare some chocolate crepes. Once you're done with the batter, place a crepe on a plate and spread some strawberry jam or any other fruit jam or chocolate spread you have handy. In my case, I'm using some strawberry jam because it's the only one I have at home. You don't have to spread it all over the crepe, just in one section. Like this. After that, you can add some sliced strawberries or any other fruit you have at home. Fold the crepe twice so you can form a triangle. Like this. Finally, you can top it with some chocolate syrup so it would look prettier. You can also add some whipped cream on top. Alright. That's it. It's ready.